Hi, I'm Rian and welcome to Anvil Engineering. We are proud to be a South Africa company. Here at Anvil Engineering, we design and manufacture hardware that is built strong, built local and built to last. Let's go have a look. At Anvil Engineering, everything starts with raw steel, cut, shaped and finished right here in our workshop. We create a wide range of products, hand railing systems for staircases and balconies, trolleys for workshop and factories, brackets and all kinds of custom steel components. Our hand railing systems are perfect for homes, businesses and public spaces. Give safety, style and support, especially for elderly or people with disability. Our fittings are modular and easy to install, so you can build just about anything, from carports and walkways and guardrails and custom structures. At Anvil Engineering, we believe quality should never be out of reach. That is why we design hardware that is tough, affordable and proudly made in South Africa for South Africa. What makes us different? We focus on the small businessman, the farmer and the self-employed builder. We believe if your tools work right, you work better. We at Anvil Engineering work closely with small businesses and distributors, supplying parts, keep projects moving and communities growing. So remember, when you're building a balcony, staircase, greenhouse, carport, your next big idea, start with a strong foundation. Start with Anvil Engineering. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for your time. Until next time, keep the dream alive.